Hey guys, welcome to What the Beat. This is just a YouTube channel where we metal detect, do a little bit of bottle digging, some exploring, maybe some antique shopping. This week, just wanted to let everybody know we were metal detecting a local park. We got a couple pretty cool things, nothing too major. So we went and found an old creek to walk in. It's something that we've been wanting to get into. There's a lot of old creeks around us that were around in the 1800s that used to be used as dumps. So we're just on the hunt trying to find pretty much anything old we can find. So stay tuned until the end if you're into that kind of stuff. It's like the last 20 minutes or so. It's just me walking the creek. We really didn't find anything, but there was a ton of cool stuff out there. So stay tuned, and we appreciate it. So we're out here at a new park I've never been at before. Getting a real good 78. Probably a copper penny, but we'll bring you back. Holes there. First signal is going to be just a dime. I will get it cleaned up though. Could be a good clad day out here. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, back here on the back side. Wind's picking up too, so I apologize if you can hear that. It's kind of double tapping it. Yeah, coming up as a good 34-35, so let's see what this is, and I'll bring you back. Alright, I've cut kind of a plug here, so I'm going to try to flip this up and see if we can find this thing together here. Got a dime, or a nickel. Oh wow, check that out. That thing's pretty. See if we can get a year. Oh yeah. That's a war nickel all day. Sweet. 1943p war nickel. Sweet. That thing's pretty too. Alright guys, on to the next one. Next signal was a pull tab and an old fake costume earring that's broken. On to the next one. Alright guys, getting a real good signal right here. Coming up as a 93. It seems kind of deep, so let me get down to this thing. I'll turn y'all back on. Oh yeah, right in an ant pile. Here it is right here. Just gonna be a cap. Just gonna be a cap. Nothing good. I run the... That's crazy, the signal that I was getting from that. Maybe the ants made it sound better. On to the next one. Over here, getting another signal almost identical to that war nickel that I just found. No, actually, I'm sorry. This is coming a little bit, coming in a tad lower. Right there. Yeah, so this is coming in a tad lower. This might be a regular modern nickel, so let's I'll bring you back. Alright guys, I kind of see an edge. Let me see if I can zoom in on it where you can see it. Definitely not silver, but it's a coin. I think it's just going to be a modern nickel. Yeah. Yep, just a modern nickel. Oh, it's actually a 1948. Focus. Yep, 1948. Cool. Been cooler if I was double on the war nickels, but that works for me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Guys, over here at the next signal, it's coming up as a very, very deep. Well, let's see if I can find the... There it is. It's real jumpy, so the VDI is all over the place. Probably trash, but let's see. Well, plug's there. Thinking that's some deep iron or something. On to the next one. 2006 Stankin' Lincoln. Alright, next signal here, coming up at a 45 to 50. Just going to be a little button off some blue jeans or something. I don't think it's sterling. Looks shiny though in the hole. Alright guys, on to the next one. Alright, here we are. I mean, another one of the same kind of signals, but it sounds really good. It's got a little bit of chatter in the sound, but oh yeah, that is a little broken up. Let's see. Alright, I think we got it uncovered here. Let's see. Yeah. Another one. Man, these are coming up all different kinds of numbers, but hey, at least we know that they were out here drinking soda pops back in the day. Alright guys, on to the next. Back here working this fence line, there really is no grass out here, but I see where there used to be an old sidewalk kind of over here to the side, so I figured might as well check here. Coming up at a solid 85, it's 86. Probably just going to be a modern dime or something like that, maybe some aluminum trash. But I will get to it and turn you guys back on. Alright guys, so I pulled the dirt back. Pinpointer says it's right here. So let's see. No way. No way. Wow, I scratched the daylights out of this. Dang. Got me an old Merc dime. Bet it's a 43. Let's see. Oh no, 1941. Man, and I scratched the daylights out of this thing. There it is. Alright guys, I will turn you back on. Next thing that comes out of the ground. Cool. Wow, I scratched the crap out of that. Alright, so we're going to try to record this and do it here without me falling in the water. We're going to try to stay pretty shallow. Oh man, look at all that trash. I didn't even bring a bag big enough. I just brought this little. And I'm honestly doing this the totally wrong way. because I'm walking with the flow of the creek. So anybody that has ever walked a creek knows that I'm going to cloud up the creek when I get up here. But it is what it is. We are just cleaning and exploring right now, looking for broken glass, old insulators, anything like that. Let's jump up here. Here's an old beer bottle. Not even gonna pick that up. Yep, somebody very ridiculous. Dumped all their trash out right there on the creek. What a deal. So yeah, this is the beginning of it here, or what I'll call the beginning. It actually goes about 10 miles, I would say 8 miles that way into the Peace River. I did see a glass bottle over here in the bank, but it looks like a Corona Especial. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Yeah, not even gonna go over there. Bet there's some shark's teeth in here, because it's kind of a real rocky bottom right here where I'm at. Man, that sun is right there in the wrong spot. Alright, let's jump up here. We'll bring you guys back in 2 seconds. Sorry for all the car noise. We are right on the road. Y'all didn't see that, but I just started dancing a little bit. Go over here and grab that beer bottle. Put that in my bag. Oh, maybe that wasn't a beer bottle. Yeah, just a can. Old Coke can. We'll get it out of here. Looks like a battery. Hell, who knows? I'll trash it. Ain't got no business out here in this creek. Alright, pray for me. Oh yeah, that's deep right there. I won't be going down in there. Yeah, tire. There's like a whole shopping cart right there. We just came from down in there. That's where we were looking through. It's too deep all the way up to like right in here, so got to get some better boots or something. And I'm sinking too, so. Yuck. Smells amazing. It's an old bicycle tire. It's an old bicycle tire too. Look at that. What, baby? I got him. Thought there was a snake there for a second. I think this is as far as our voyage is going to take us today. Unfortunately. Just because it looks like there was others before us that they cleaned her out. Bunch of paper and nasty stuff. Anybody want to play cricket? I bet. So we're walking back to the car, and Nikki is over here finding rocks. But of all things, look how pretty. So we're gonna save a couple. There's a bunch of them right here under this tree. It looks like somebody probably dumped them here. That's a piece of glass. Check that out. Huh. This whole bank is these rocks. That's just odd for Florida where we're at, you know what I mean? Let me show this to my daughter and see if she likes it or not. Look, Olivia.
It's a bone.
It's a bird skull. You like that? Don't touch it. You ain't gotta touch it.
Oh yeah, you can see the beak.
Yeah. Well, if we ever need a couple of real good stones for anything, like, check that out.
Don't touch nothing.
Well, we'll leave with a handful of rocks at least. It's like I'm 10 years old again. Nice. Wow, yeah, these are actually really nice. This one's got like a translucent orange to it. That one looks like rose quartz. All right.